welcome back to my videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a real world terrain into Blender or how to import the terrain. So, first we need to delete all of those, the cube, the camera and the light. So, double tap A, press X to delete. By the way, before I start, sorry for my voice because I have a bit of cold, so I'm sorry. So, press Shift A on your keyboard and add a plane. Press S to scale this up. And let's create a new material. And also a new texture. I'm gonna name this mountain height map. Now, height maps will allow us to make a realistic terrain in Blender. So, like, they're more realistic than using the sculpt mode, and it's much easier. So, we'll go to a website called terrain.party. Terrain.party. Okay. Okay, so the blue square is the part that we are going to use and import it into Blender. So I'm gonna increase the size of the cube. So it was 18 kilometers. I'm gonna increase it to 60 kilometers. Okay. Okay, so 60 is the maximum. So I'm gonna look for a place that has a lot of mountains. Maybe here. I'm gonna try maybe here somewhere. Yeah. So there are a couple of mountains over here. I'm gonna choose this part. Yeah. So at the top right you can see a download button. It looks like a cloud with a down arrow. Click on that and I'm gonna name the file to mountains, for example. Click on OK. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to generate and download. Okay, so it's downloading. I'm gonna drag the file into my desktop. So choose the file that has emerged after its name because it's the best option. I'm gonna show you the files. That's the merged. You can see. So there's not lots of difference, but the merged is the best option. So I'm gonna drag the file into my desktop. Go to my texture tab and open the file. That's desktop. Okay. So our height map is imported into Blender, and now select the plane, go to edit mode by pressing tab, and press W to subdivide. Subdivide this few times. Now, the more you subdivide, the more lag will come in your way, so you should keep your vertex count balanced. I think 4,000 is pretty good. So if you increase it to 16,000, I think that's a bit too much for your game because it will lag a lot. So I'm gonna put it to 4,000. I'll go back to object mode, and now we need to add a displace modifier. Select the texture that we created, mountain height map. Change the mid-level to 0 and the strength to 0.3. Yeah, so our terrain doesn't look very realistic. So what we can do is go to the Tools tab on the left and change the shading to smooth. The default is flat, so change to smooth, and now it looks more realistic. So you can also go to edit mode and subdivide it a bit more, but remember, other people have to able to play your game without any lag. So I'm gonna keep it to 16,000. It's not that bad. If you have a more powerful computer, you can increase it, but I wouldn't recommend it. So our terrain actually looks pretty good right now. So there's an also, you can go to edit mode. There's an option called smooth vertex. That will also make it more realistic. So we can take a look at the terrain. As you can see, it looks pretty good so far. So basically, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. Leave it a big thumbs up and I'll see you next time.